In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat a Taobao supplier using Taobao Chatbox 2025. First, open your web browser and go to taobao.com. Log into your account so you can access your messages and chat features. If you're more comfortable in English, you can turn on your browser's page translation to help navigate. But keep in mind the chat itself will handle translation for you. Next, search for the item you want and click into the product page. This detail page is where you'll find the seller's contact options, product specifications, shipping info, and everything you need to start a conversation with the store. On the product page, look for the chat button. It may appear as Lianqi Kefu or Lianqi Maijia, which both mean contact seller, or as the blue Wang Wang icon. Any of these will open a chat with the store. When you click it, Taobao will launch either Ali Wang Wang web chat or the built-in Taobao chat window, depending on your setup and browser. The chat box usually opens in a new window or tab. If nothing appears, your browser likely blocked a pop-up. Allow pop-ups for Taobao, then click the chat button again. Once the window opens, you're connected directly to the seller's support team or storefront representative. You can type in English. Most suppliers use auto-translate, so your message will be translated on their side and their reply will be translated for you. Keep it simple and clear. For example, you could say, "Hello, is this item available?" Or "Can you ship to the consolidation warehouse?" Or "Can you send actual photos?" Adding details like color, size, quantity, and your required deadline helps them give a precise answer quickly. If you're asking about shipping, mention your province or the warehouse address type so they can quote the correct method. When you're ready, press enter or click send. Your conversation will be saved automatically. You can find your chat history in the message center labeled Xiaoxi at the top right of Taobao or directly inside Ali Wang Wang web chat if that opened for you. This makes it easy to come back later, compare replies from different stores, and keep all order details in one place. To check seller replies, go to the top right of Taobao, click Xiaoxi, and look for seller chat or Wang Wang Xiaoxi. Open the thread to continue the conversation. Replies might take a little time due to time zones or store hours, so leave the tab open or check back periodically. Keep your questions in one thread to maintain context and always confirm price, stock, and shipping before placing an order. That's it. Now you know exactly how to reach a Taobao supplier using the Taobao chat box.